Welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about how to download files from Salesforce using Titan Web. Really cool functionality, and I'm going to demonstrate this for you today. So let's say I've got example context here, Joe blogs, and Joe has 3 files. So you've got this file, you've got this file, and just random files, and this one here. Now, I want my customer to be able to download these files, and I'm going to show you how to. So what we'll do is we'll drag a table, and then this table lives, we're going to bring it from files, okay? Files is the object where all the attachments live. And then we'll go next, and what I'll say is the first published location ID where all these files are living in is my contact. So we'll go over here, fetch the contact, and pop it in here. That's my condition. Now, what I want to do is I want to do a few things, and this is just to show you guys. First, the content version ID, and the title, and then what I want to show is, let's say, an icon, actually. So what we'll do is we'll switch this include an action, and what we'll do, we'll say, let's say like this. Let's add this for now. We'll add an action, okay? And it's a button, and we'll switch it to an icon, and the icon will be like a download icon. So let me see if there's a cool one available over here. Yeah, this is a cool one. We'll use this. Now the value, what you want to use is the hash value. This is the safest way to download the file, so I would recommend you use the value here like this. And then on click action, and then what you want to do is click apply, and the table's there. So now let me just show you a couple of things. Click save, click preview. So hopefully it will pull the 3 files that are actually linked to Joe blogs right now into this. There they are, okay? Now what I'd love to do is click on this and download the file. So how do you do it? First thing first, I want to do is create a parameter. And as I said, this can be done multiple different ways, so this isn't a cookie cutter method, so it's best to understand what's happening behind it. And I'm going to create a static parameter. I'm going to call this content version ID, and I'm going to click apply. And then what's going to happen is if I go back here, go to edit mapping, what I want to do is on click action, configure action, I want to set a value. And I want to say my content version ID, set value from, and this will be my dot value, which is a hash value. So this is what I'm doing, all right? And then that's it. That's all that needs to be done here. So once you've done that, click apply, click apply, click apply, click apply, and then let's put on the debug mode. So what we're going to do is let's go and switch some debug mode, which is over here. And then once the debug mode is switched on, let me show you some stuff that's happening. So here we are, there's the data, and if I look at the debug, the parameter is currently empty. So these are the hash values, as you can see, but as soon as I click on this, you can see that the hash value has actually been passed into my parameter, which is the content version ID. Now, watch this. So if I now click on my tools and my custom variables, and I write a little condition, I say, you know what, when current field, content version ID is not empty, then run an action, which is allow them to download the file, like this. And then I would just choose my content version ID, like this. Click apply, 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 save, and now let's see what the result looks like. So here we are, everything is good, it's coming through. I'll click on this, within a couple of seconds, boom, there's my download, and I'll show you. So there's my download coming from Salesforce. I click on this one, and then just like that, download. And here it's coming through as well. Looks really cool. like this, and click down, and you can build tons of use cases for this, which is really awesome, and it's coming from Salesforce. So that's download files for you, awesome functionality, and I hope you enjoyed it.